Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn what is internet. So internet is nothing but a global system of interconnected computer networks that use an internet protocol suite like TCP/IP to link the devices worldwide. It's a network of networks that consists of private, public, academic, business, and government networks ranging from local to global scope. And they are connected by a broad way of electronic wireless and optimal networking technologies. The Internet carries a vast range of information, resources, and services, including interlinked hypertext documents and applications of the World Wide Web, electronic mail, telephony, and file sharing. Now let's see what's the origin and the history of the Internet. The Internet began as a US Department of Defense project as ARPANET in the 1960s to facilitate the communication between the computers. It evolved into the global system connecting universities, business, governments, and individuals. How does it work? The Internet relies on a wide variety of technologies, including routers, protocols, and ISPs. The routers are the devices that direct the data traffic across different networks. Protocols is nothing but the rules and the formats for data transfer, such as TCP/IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol or a Internet Protocol. And ISP is nothing but an Internet Service Provider, the companies that provide the access to the Internet. Now the common uses of internet are communication where we are using emails, instant messaging and video conferencing. Information is nothing but browsing the websites, news and research. The social networking platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. E-commerce is nothing but online shopping, banking or online payments. Entertainment, nothing but streaming videos, gaming and music. So that's all about the introduction to internet. Thank you.